Welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. I'm just making a little video to say I'm a bit behind on everything. I think having 2 allotments has been a bit much to get used to, especially in this heat. So I did make my July video for veg in one bed. Didn't finish it, the potatoes weren't ready, and haven't even sown the peas yet. I am in the northeast, and we can normally get away with doing things a little bit later than normal, but it is quite late now in July. I haven't done any of the July stuff either. I've pretty much kept on top of one allotment, but the other one with the flooding, all the potatoes rotted away, and all my brassicas floated away. I don't know if I've still got pictures of the flooding. I might put a picture up to show how bad it was. It's still morning, I haven't spoken much yet. We just come down to the allotment to let the chickens out because we've been getting fox attacks. We don't normally get foxes here. Everyone keeps the chicken runs open, but things have changed now, so I've been letting the chickens in and out, and I've moved them to my new allotment. And I'm currently trying to put a fishing net on the top and wire mesh all around the bottoms, but until that's finished, I've been putting them in every night and getting them up every morning. And I thought I'd make a quick video now because I haven't done any for a while, and we're stuck in the shed because it's pouring down and with rain. This is Casper. Are we stuck in the shed, Casper? Are we stuck in the shed? Yeah. You're wondering why we're not going somewhere, aren't you? Why are we not going there? We go there every Saturday morning. But we need to wait for this rain to stop. So this is the new allotment. I think you had a little too at once. There's the apple trees. I'll move a bit so you can see. That's my flowers, cosmos, poppies. I'll be keeping the poppy seeds for harvesting. I'm going to keep them poppy seeds for harvesting. And that's a self-seeded sunflower there, with snapdragon at the bottom. There's lupins there. There is a giant lily somewhere there that's only little. There are bush tomatoes, onions, red onions, white onions, marigolds, and some other brassica things I forgot the name in the middle. That's my chicken run with the net on the top. The chickens are already left. I've already got the chickens out. We went to the other allotment and we water in the greenhouse. We were watering the greenhouse and it just started raining, like really heavy. So we've come in here and I'm hoping for it to settle down so we can go back home. We were going to go to the park, but we can't this weather. I'm surprised you didn't hear that. You're so cheeky. You're so cheeky. So cheeky, Casper. You're so cheeky. Oh, are you going to go to sleep like that? Are you trying to sniff the treats out of my bag? So I'm going to be getting on with finishing the June video. And I haven't done any plot tours. I'll have to get on with that as well, but not today. Today I'm just going to edit the videos I've already got, and I am definitely sowing peas for the June veg in one bed video. I've just been over there and it's all looking really good. Not many beetroot come through that I sowed. Should we try and get home, Casper? Should we try and get home while it's settled down a bit? Yeah? Come on then. Thanks for watching.